Once you've completed the MFA enrollment process in the previous video, you will be brought to this screen, letting you know that you will need to add a authentication method to ensure that it's you trying to access your account when you log in. After clicking next, you will be presented with a few options on how you can authenticate, but we will be going over the text message method in this video. You'll be looking for the I want to set up a different method at the bottom. And once you clicked on that, it will give you a drop-down list where you'd want to select the phone option. You'll be then prompted to enter your country or region, your phone number that you wish to receive the text message on, and ensure that the options at the bottom, that text me a code, is selected and not call me. Click next, and then you will receive a text message with a 6-digit code to the number that you just entered that you will need to re-enter back into this website. After entering that code and hitting next, if everything checks out, you will receive a success screen that your SMS was verified and that you have now set up your sign-in method.